Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to share an Instagram highlight link directly from your PC using the latest update. If you want to showcase your favorite stories or help friends find a memorable moment, this guide will walk you through every step. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all your features and highlights. Next, navigate to the profile that contains the highlight you want to share. This could be your own profile or someone else's. Just use the search bar or your feed to find it quickly. Once you're on the profile, look just below the bio section. Here, you'll see all the available highlights displayed as circles. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific highlight you want to share. Click on the highlight to open it. This will display all the stories contained within that highlight. Browse until you find the exact story you want to share with others. At the top of the page, you'll notice 3 dots, usually in the upper right corner. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu with several options. From the menu, select Copy URL. This instantly copies the direct link to that specific highlight story to your clipboard, making it ready to share. Now, you can paste the copied link wherever you choose. Whether it's a message to a friend, a post on another social media platform, or even an email, just right-click and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut to insert the link. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can easily share your favorite Instagram highlights from your PC, making it simple for others to view the moments that matter most to you. Try it out and keep sharing those memories.